Robotic centipedes are taking over farms. What's long, leggy and about to become your vineyard's new best friend? Meet the robotic centipedes from Ground Control Robotics, a clever machine designed to handle the tricky business of weeding crops. Inspired by the way animals move, these bots are just mimicking biology. They're applying physics to build something surprisingly practical. Each segment moves with cable-driven legs, gliding through rough surfaces without the need of fancy sensors or complex AI. Why not use a wheeled robot or a quadruped? Because vineyards and blueberry fields are messy, uneven and not built for clunky machines. These bots can slip through the gaps, under branches and over rocks without crushing the plants or your budget. They're starting with crop scouting, but the plan is to scale them up for full weed removal. Think precision, 24/7 coverage and a lot fewer herbicides. It's a great example of research crawling literally out of the lab and into the field. And if it helps keep our strawberries weed free, we're all for it. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.